Hi, I'm Radhika. I'm the Chief Product Officer at PaisaBazaar.com. I've been here for 10 years, been a working professional for 23 years, and been a mother for cumulatively 35 years. My elder one is 19 and my younger one is 16. So I believe that my motherhood and my leadership journey in my career have overlapped a lot, and I've learned a lot over being a mother as well as being a working professional. All the time. I think they are a walking mirror. Every time I have feedback from them. But interestingly, whenever I used to get a telecaller call, and if they are around, so I used to be very curt and said, "Please don't call me. Why did you even call me?" And then they suddenly said that, "Mama, why are you being so rude? They are just doing their job." It sort of struck me that my response had sort of triggered them, and they gave me immediate feedback. Post that, I realized even at work, I have a tendency when I'm occupied with something or some team member comes up to me and is slightly slow in sort of explaining what it is all about, and I was getting very impatient. When I sort of reflected back and became self-aware of how I'm responding, then I sort of said that I need to really change this, given that my kids have pointed out to me, in fact, multiple times before I could internalize it. So now when any of my team members walk up to me, where I just take the first 2-3 minutes to sort of lean in, talk about making them comfortable, and then allowing them to talk. I think that opens out a lot of ideas, possibilities, and a lot of rich conversations that I've been able to have. Thank you to my kids for showing me the mirror. 2-3 areas of leadership which I think the motherhood journey has impacted. Parenthood, I would say, rather than only saying a motherhood. But yeah, 2-3 areas. One which we talked about, which is being self-aware and self-learning, self-reflection. I think that's one big area which we talked about. The other area is to be that one size doesn't fit all. I have two kids, two very different personalities. As in being a parent, you realize even twins might have different personalities, but my two kids, different personalities. So applying it on the work environment, each one's motivation very different. You can't motivate somebody through incentives and rewards, whereas somebody else might get more easily motivated by incentives and rewards. So understanding each one's motivations and what gets them excited, what gets them motivated, what's their values of life, I think that's the second area which I've learned from motherhood. And the third aspect is the delicate balance between making them independent and course correction. Very often we rush in to correct a situation, but how does like we want our child to mature as an independent and worthy individual. Every team member has their own right to mature as a leader. So how do we delicately balance course correction and independence? I think that's always a journey which we'll have to plan for. I think I would say it's my husband. Or the other way around is he has a habit of cutting out additional things and being focused on only what things that matter. So he keeps giving me that feedback. It doesn't matter how does it matter if my son wants to wear the same t-shirt every day? It doesn't matter. So I think cutting out what is not required, staying focused on a few things, realizing that you cannot be a super mom or a superhuman. You're just a mom and a human, and always for life. And to all the mothers out there, wishing you a very happy Mother's Day. Wishing you all the very best.